What's up, everyone? 3D Print 747 here, back again with another video. So I started printing this lid because I printed this from Bento 3D.design, another Bento box, and this turned out good. I'm really happy with it. So I figured I needed the lid and I needed the outside box so I could latch the lid down. And I started printing this, and it's going to warp next, a little warm, but I don't care. It printed good, no problem with that at all. It was going to finish up and have edges that I could put over top of the outside box. And then this happened, and this is the outside box. So I don't know why, but now Bento 3D.design, when I downloaded the outer box, it's creating an infill, which is crazy, which makes no sense. So I just wanted to give you an update on the Bento 3D. If you guys are using it and you're having success, that's awesome. I brought this into Tinkercad because I was going to hollow it out, and it looked horrible, so I just deleted it and moved on. Another thing that's come up, and you've probably heard about it over the recent week or so, is the whole bamboo fiasco. I'm not really worried about it too much. I've got this AMS and then the two P1Ss. They work fine. I've been contemplating a Core 1 by Prusa just to see what it's like. It looks really cool. Like the design. I wish it was a little bigger bed. This is 256 by 256. That one's, I think, 250 by 256. Not a huge deal. But the bigger the better, in my opinion. I had the A1 Mini on order. It had a deal going for $180 before Christmas, or after Christmas, so I pre-ordered it. And when that whole blog post came out, or whatever it was from Bamboo, saying they were locking things down, I canceled the order. Got my money back, and I'll put it in other places. I'll probably end up keeping these P1Ss until they die, because they work great. There's no issue with them at all printing. But I think I'm going to move on from the Bamboo platform because I don't like being locked down. I don't think they're going to do anything silly like make you use their own spools with the RFID chips. I don't think they're going to go that route. I think that would just be stupid. But a lot of people are jumping ship on Bamboo. I'm not there yet, but I'm not going to order any new products from them. One other thing, I got the enclosure in for the for the Python upgrade on the AMS. The parts are right here sitting. The enclosure's down there in that box. So I'm going to get that going within the next week or two. That's going to be a huge thing. It's going to take a lot of time, a lot of research, a lot of reading. So it's not something I'm looking forward to, but I know it's something that I have to get done. I'm also not going to update the firmware on these because of this guy. I don't really use it that much, to be honest. I just got it just to see what it was like and to see how it worked. And it works good, except there are times where it'll lose connectivity for just a random reason and ask me to ignore it. I don't know why it does that, but it's kind of ridiculous. And I've had to reset it several times over the life of it. I usually just go here and, if I want to load or something, just hit that and hit the load or unload. And I really only use this for a couple of things. Basically, just if I have to pause a print and I'm up out of my chair, I'll just do it here. And then just the loading, that's about it. So I don't really use this for anything as far as like print farm and that kind of stuff goes. again, it is cool that you can pop it off of there and use it, but I don't do that either. But yeah, so I just wanted to give a quick update. Haven't been on in probably 2 weeks, but I really wish this Bento 3D worked, especially before I caught it and wasted that filament. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please hit that like button if you haven't already, and subscribe. Leave a comment too. Let me know if you're having any luck with the Bento3D.design website. Like I said, it did the inside box fine, no issue, but this is the outer box that the lid was going to latch onto, and it was doing a solid infill. All right, y'all, thanks for watching. I appreciate you. We'll catch you next time.